Hey guys, Jordan Shafran here. Take a look at this cool wall. This is a retaining wall. Now, I want you to see the difference in some retaining walls where this specific wall has caissons attached to it. As you can tell, these roundabout things over here. And the reason why you place caissons is to build a structure above the caissons. So this acts as the footing portion or the foundation portion. So as an example, these caissons over here can place a certain amount of weight. Now, why would anyone put these caissons over here? Well, let's look up. You can build and extend a huge deck all the way out to the property line. So the metal support beams would go over here just where you see these metal ties, and they would erect upward all the way up to the level of that opening, which is this unit, and extend. The ceiling would extend with the patio all the way upward, 15 to 20 feet, depending on the schematical drawings and how much weight this patio can potentially bear. And as you can see, we see these caisson construction, because this is a hillside, and it's consistent throughout this structure on the sides and on the end of the property line. Now, you can tell how thick this footing is over here. This is your footing, the base of the structure, and this is your shear wall. This is a big no-no. You can't break into a shear wall and just place doors, windows. You need some type of engineering to open up any shear wall. So this definitely takes away from the structural integrity of this entire face, back face of the house. Now, many times, depending on city's building and safety and the scope that, hillsides have to abide by, many times a detail with retrofitting can work to open up openings if you want access to the structure. So for instance, behind this structure, there's some space. Is it a lot of space? No. But look, this is Hollywood and it's prime real estate, so it kind of makes sense. Now, this retaining wall, you can tell it's retaining all the dirt, all the fill that's placed here. So it's retaining about, give or take, about 4.5 feet of dirt. And that's why it has to be a substantial wall. Now, to code a wall like this that's retaining about 4.5 feet of dirt will be about 3 feet deep into the ground and up to 24 inches wide with either number 4 or number 5 rebar. Now, as you can see, all the cells are filled. This is a solid wall. So this wall can hold up 4, 6, 8 feet of dirt and potentially not move if we don't have an extremely large earthquake or shake. And we can see that these types of hillside properties, they're tapered. They have different levels. So this wall will hold up and sustain a certain amount of dirt. Then the footing will sustain a certain amount on the other end. So I hope that gave you kind of a visual, and hopefully it expanded your understanding with block walls, a little detail such as the pillars over here, the caissons, and moving forward, we're going to keep on showing you projects. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. This is what we do for a living since 1988, and we'll be happy to take you on as our new client. Have a great day.